We are gathered here in the sight of God and in the face of this company to witness the joining together of Lucas James Hendrickson and Sheralyn Marie Fenton in holy matrimony.
Sheralyn, I love you. You look beautiful today. You've looked beautiful every day since I've met you, and you will look beautiful every day going forward. I promise to love you in good times and in bad, when life seems easy and when life seems hard. I will always try to be understanding and trust in you completely. I promise to encourage you, laugh with you, care for you, and keep you up to date with every Apple product. With all of this said, I love you dearly and will love you forever.
I know I'll likely cry. You're my rock and my sunshine. I will love you until our forever. I will listen to your stories, however long they are. I will laugh at all your jokes, however dumb they are. I will share with you my life, however silly we become. I will show you patience, however frustrated you are.
I pronounce you husband and wife in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. What God has brought together, let no one, nothing separate. Lucas, you may kiss your wife.
Sheralyn, I've never seen you so happy. I remember telling you that right in the very beginning when you first introduced me to Lucas. And here we are now, 6 years later. You both bring out the best in each other. You comfort each other and even challenge and learn from each other. And I hope you continue to do this throughout the rest of your lives together. And I pray you have a long and happy marriage. And Lucas, I officially welcome you to the family. To Sheralyn Lucas.
Life is full of coincidences. Lucas and I went to high school together and became good friends the year we graduated and started going to NAS. If you like iPhones as much as Lucas, that was around the iPhone 4, so 2010. The first time that they met, Lucas was, as Bree said, working at the information desk. He was wearing sweatpants, which was not allowed when you were working. He had his personal computer, which you couldn't do. His feet were up on the counter, not allowed at all. And he had some friends with him behind the information desk, which was a big no-no. So, I guess Sheralyn just likes the bad boys,
Without her,